One of our followers reached out to us to see if we could restore her grandmother's wedding dress for her sister's upcoming wedding. This dress was bought for $25 in 1938, and not only did her grandmother wear it, but so did her mother in 1980. But now, it's our job to restore it for the third generation. As you can see, this dress is heavily oxidized, has drink stains as well as insect damage, which means we need to be extra careful with this delicate fabric. First things first, we need to pre-soak the dress before putting it in the sodium perborate bath. This is because the gown is made of silk, and silk really doesn't like getting wet. But by doing this, it helps significantly in the restoration process. We leave the dress for 30 minutes and cover it with towels to help keep it submerged. The perborate was used up pretty quick, and the drink stains are already gone, but now we need to make a new bath. Only this time, the dress soaks for an hour. Now normally, we would let a gown like this soak overnight, but because of the silk, we can only soak it for a short period of time. Bill pulls the dress out and examines it for any lingering stains. As you can see here, he found a rust stain. So he takes the dress over to the spotting board and treats it with alpha rust and then takes it to be wet cleaned on our hand wash cycle. The color is completely restored. All of the stains are gone and the silk is still in great condition. Now we hang it to dry overnight. The next day, Bill begins the finishing process, and he starts by pressing the waist ties. Next, he flips the dress inside out to press the collar. Then he presses the seams. Now, the dress gets flipped right side out and Bill starts pressing the bust. Finally, it's time to press the body of the dress, which has to be the most satisfying part. Now, this heirloom dress is finished, and it looks incredible. No more stains and no more oxidation. But now, we have to replace the buttons. Bill leaves the strings behind as a guide to know exactly where the buttons go on, and luckily, we have the perfect match. So, Bill starts the meticulous process of sewing them back on. Now that that's done, it's time to send this beauty back home. We start by opening up our acid-free preservation box. Bill gently places the dress in the box, takes acid-free tissue paper, and lays it in between the folds of the dress to prevent hard wrinkles from forming. He takes the acid-free bust form and inserts it into the dress. The final step is the muslin slip, which acts as a second layer of protection for this treasured gown. Worn by 2 generations, this beautiful dress has carried so much love, and now it's ready to walk down the aisle once again.